Another little video out here. This is my go-to ratcheting screwdriver. Mac Tools. I go to this thing more than I go to my snap-on regular screwdrivers. This is my go-to screwdriver set. It has a T-handle. It also has just a little adapter, 1/4 inch adapter, wing nut, got the adapter for the ratchet here. But this is my ratcheting screwdriver. My go-to screwdriver set. And it locks in the middle, and if you can tell, if you've seen Eddie 802 diesels, his still has the Mac on the handle. Mine does not. So, and the cap does come off. You can store bits down in there if you want to. You can take them with you if you want to, just what you need. Or just do what I do. Take the whole kit. You never know what you're going to need. It's got everything in it. Every kind of bit you can think of. It's got them all. I'm not going to read them all off, but it's got them all. I got a few missing, I know. No biggie. I can get them replaced if I want to, but what the hey. I get them replaced, they'll get legs and walk off again. So, but this is my go-to ratcheting screwdriver. This thing, I love it to death. It's never failed me. It's went everywhere I've ever not wanted it to go, and it's done everything I've asked it to do, and then some. So let's see what we got up here. We got a part number. It's probably for the box, I don't know. SPMR 123B-RAT. So that's that. Wanted to do that little video. I've got 2 sets of snap-ons, set of Craftsman, Stanley. I think that's about it. And screwdrivers, but I don't use them. I use this. I use this kit on everything. Short little video. Appreciate it. I'm going to be getting these out soon. Thanks, guys. See you in the next video.